So, good day mga kahomies. So, nandito tayo sa isa namang house tour ng 8 million house sa West Fairview, Quezon City. So, meron tong 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, and 1 car garage sa isang gated subdivision in West Fairview. And also, we have here wide open kitchen and open dining. Here's your powder room sa baba. And also, it has a air well or laundry area. This is a laundry area or air well. Also sa side, meron siyang pocket garden. Pwede rin gawing dirty kitchen. Yan. Then, let's go sa second floor. Sa second floor, meron 3 bedroom. Yung itong first and later yung second bedroom, meron silang common CR. Para sa mga kids, para sa guest. Ito yung room for them. So, itong second bedroom, yan. Ito yung common toilet nila. Later, papakita natin yung common toilet and bath ng first room and second room. Then, yan yung common toilet and bath. And now, we're here in the master bedroom. Meron siyang own toilet and bath. Yan. Very spacious. And that's it. Thank you mga kahomies. Till the next vlog.